So we have our Toon shader here, and on the render layer, I'm going to change that to say border, so we can visualize that outside border, and we can change the thickness of the outside and the inside. And then if I go back to beauty, we can see both the combination of the area light source. So if I move that area light around, we can see that the light is affected. Now this is a low quality IPR render, so we'll do a final quality render later, but you can see the nice deliberate steppiness of the Toon shader here, and how we can jump between the render layers. Now I'm going to make that area light a lot smaller, and sometimes this happens in the render view where you just have to stop and start the re-render, so that's what I've done. Sometimes if you change the light, it kind of goes all black like that. So I'm just going to position it to the side here, and as I was mentioning, that's a quick IPR render. So let's do a final render, and here we can see the quality's a lot better. Now we see that nice kind of toony steppiness, but we also have our border that we tuned there. Again, noticing that the light source color and the border is the same color, and we can change that. We'll do a quick demo of that now that we have this nice kind of light angle. And the bottom shader here that's just like a plausible matte, so that's like a default matte shader from RenderMan Studio. So if I go in here and I kick off another IPR render, we can see how, let's change the color and see how kind of both of those colors change. So we have the red, yellow, green, etc. So again, that changes both our surface color and that border feature that we have here, where we can change the thickness of that line. So that's just really handy, having both those colors there. And if we just go back to our final render, we can see the high quality render here.